The first time Alice saw him, he was reading Rumi on the ferry to Kadıköy. She stood by the railing, wind in her hair, camera over her shoulder, the Bosphorus shining like pewter. He wasn't really reading. Just listening. His name was Kem. A philosophy teacher who walked everywhere, disliked phones, and read books like prayers, 1 page a week. Their conversations floated between silence and poetry. No kisses. No promises. Just unfolding. "You always look like you're leaving soon," he said. "I always do," she whispered. Her leaving on the ferry, with a small book in her hand. Inside the book, "Come back as slowly as you left." Years later. Ferry again. He's there, but facing away. She returned. Not for him. Not really. But still. He was there. Different side of the boat. Same silence. "Do you ever feel like you're photographing your life from far away?" "All the time," she said. She lifted her camera. Not to remember him. But the water. And the tulip. Still intact.